1, 2, 3.
MySpace, YouTube, same stuff every day. Hello?
Wanna play a little game?
Hello?
Wanna play a little game?
Who is this?
You don't need to know that. I ask you a question. You wanna play a little game?
Why are you asking so many questions?
Where's the apples at? Shut up, Grandma. Gosh. No one takes me seriously anymore. I have feelings too, man. Shut up. Give me my applesauce. Gosh. I'll get you applesauce later. I'm on the phone. Please. What? Sorry. I'll have to call you back. Where's my... Shut up, Grandma. Good. Fine.
That was weird.